Welcome to another Bukkit teacher tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to use plugin generators to generate a unique world instead of the Minecraft one that's already built in, generates a normal world. This time I'm going to show you how to generate a different world, like a Skylands world, planet world, lots of worlds, a flat world. So to do this, we're going to need to download a plugin of your choosing. So go ahead and open your web browser and head on over to plugins.bukkit.org as usual. And now you're going to want to scroll down and you'll see these categories on the side, and you'll see one that says world generators. And you'll see a list of a whole bunch of, well, not that big, but a list of world generators that you can download and use. Also, if you click in the right hand corner, it says search bukkit.dev and scroll down to world generators and click on that, you might get some more. I've used this one before, sewers. It generates sewers. The Dungeonator generates a huge dungeon, and there's a whole list. Eternal ice, which generates the entire world in snowy biome, basically. And there's a whole list. So go ahead and download the one that you want to use. I'm going to go ahead and search mine that I'm going to use. I'm going to generate a Skylands world, and the plugin's called Skylands Plus. And there it is. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Go to the developer page and click the download button, and the download button again, and now this will download. I've already got it downloaded though, so go ahead and minimize your browser if you've got your plugin that you want to use to generate your new world. Now we're going to want to open our server folder, and you're going to want to find your plugin that you just downloaded, the jar file. Go ahead and open your plugins folder and drag your jar file right over there. I moved my Skylands Plus jar in there. Go ahead and go back, and we're going to want to edit our YML file, our bukkit.yml file. And you'll see I already have it typed in because I was testing. Okay. Here's a bunch of info that we don't need to mess with for what we're doing. So now we're going to want to create a new label called worlds, and then press enter again and press space twice and type. Now this is where you want to put the world name that you want to use the generator with. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the normal world called world, which is the default name. You can go ahead and type whatever world name here, like you can put Skyland world, whatever world you want to use. So I'm just going to use the default world, so you can see it later. And now we're going to press space again, space over 4 times, I think it is. Yeah, generator, and we're going to type generator. Now this is where you put the name of the generator of the plugin you're using. So mine's called Skylands Plus. You can usually find the name of the generator by going to the plugin author's website, or like the Bukkit page. And if you can't find it, it's usually just the name of the plugin or the jar file. So once you've got your generator set up, go ahead and save the bukkit.ymi file. Now you can exit out of this, and before we start, you're going to want to delete the world so it generates a new one with the generator we have. And if the world that you chose is not already created, then you don't have to do this, and you can create the world by using a plugin called Multiverse, or there's a few other multi-world plugins out there that you can use to create new worlds. Now go ahead and double click or start your server. I'm going to click run.bat, and it's creating the world. Oh, it's already done, it seems like. Alright. So now I'm going to open Minecraft and show you what it looks like. Alright, so Minecraft has popped up. Alright. Now I'm going to join my server. And alright, so I changed my game mode to 1 so I don't keep falling out of the world. And you can see the spawn is in the middle of nowhere. And here's my Skylands Plus world. So I generate a nice Skylands world. And that's pretty much about it for this tutorial. So I hope you guys have fun trying all the new generators that are coming out. I would highly suggest this one. This one's pretty neat. Also, there's a cool planet one where it creates planets made out of minerals. So subscribe, and I'll be making more tutorials soon. Thanks.